Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Fluent Vibes English podcasts, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Allie. It's great to be back chatting with all our amazing listeners around the world. We have so much to talk about today, from pink socks to future dreams.
It's a beautiful day, Allie. You look full of energy. How are you?
I am fantastic, thank you. I actually went for a long, calming walk this morning in the park. The sun was gentle and the birds were singing. It was a perfect start.
I love that. I feel refreshed just hearing it. That positive feeling is actually a great transition into our first topic, talking about the future.
The future! That sounds exciting, like science fiction and robots.
Not quite robots, Allie. We're talking about your real-life plans. Being able to discuss your plans is essential. It helps you organize your week and make arrangements.
I see. Like what I will do next week.
Exactly. There are two main ways we express the future in English: will and going to.
Ah, will and going to. That can be tricky.
Let's start with going to. We use it for plans, things you decided before the moment of speaking. For example, do you have a plan for tomorrow?
Yes, I decided yesterday, tomorrow I am going to play basketball with my friend.
Perfect. You decided that already, so it's a strong plan. What about will?
I think will is for quick decisions made right now.
You got it. Imagine I spill my coffee right now.
Oh no, I will clean it up. You decided that instantly.
Precisely. Will is also used for promises.
Like, I will call you later.
Yes. Now, here's a tricky point. In informal speech, going to often sounds like gonna. I'm gonna go home.
I hear that all the time in movies. But you shouldn't write gonna in a formal email.
Correct. Now, let's talk about a big future plan. What are you going to do in 5 years?
In 5 years, I am going to start my own business. It's my big dream.
That's a wonderful life plan. And I predict I will buy the first product.
Thank you. See, we are using the future naturally. Speaking of real life, let's talk about our weekends. Sarah, you sound relaxed, but did you have any chaos?
Oh, a little. I decided to be productive and do my laundry. I had a new bright red t-shirt.
Oh no, I know this story.
I put the red shirt in the washing machine, but I also put my white socks and towels in the same machine.
And what happened to the white clothes?
They are no longer white. They are bright pink. I have pink socks now.
Oh, that is hilarious. I once shrank my favorite sweater until it only fit a doll. Laundry disasters happen to everyone.
They do. You know, my sister had a chaotic weekend too. It was her husband's birthday dinner, and they have a new puppy named Max.
Puppies are fast.
Very fast. We were eating roast chicken, and my brother-in-law stood up, leaving his plate unattended.
Uh-oh, Max saw an opportunity.
In 1 second, Max jumped onto the table, grabbed a huge piece of chicken, and ran under the sofa.
The dinner thief.
Yes, it was a very funny, chaotic moment.
Well, my week was exciting too. I have a colleague who is very clumsy. He often drops things and has little accidents.
I know someone like that.
He came into the office with a big box of donuts, announced, "Breakfast is here," and then tripped over the rug.
No, the box flew?
The donuts went flying everywhere. One hit the computer, one landed on a chair.
Oh, poor Mark. Did you save them?
We certainly tried. We practiced the 5-second rule very quickly. They were still delicious. Now, let's return to that feeling of calm you mentioned. Let's talk about nature and mindfulness.
I felt completely stressed before my walk. My brain was too full. But just 10 minutes in the park brought me serenity. It's vital for our mental wellness.
It really is. We need nature to rest our minds. This is called mindfulness, being totally focused on the present moment.
And nature is the best place for a digital detox, a break from our phones.
Exactly. Look at the clouds, not the screen.
Speaking of nature, what is your favorite outdoor activity?
I love hiking. It's a long walk on challenging trails, but the panorama from the peak is worth the effort.
I prefer a picnic, a cozy blanket, a wicker basket full of sandwiches, and a book under a tree.
That sounds lovely. I think I need a picnic after my yoga session this week.
You know, you can actually practice English while you're outside.
How so?
You can focus on vocabulary and description. As you walk, describe everything you see out loud. That is a towering oak tree. The bird has bright yellow feathers.
That's a brilliant idea. And you can bring a small journal and write what you observe. It forces you to describe the world in English.
We covered so much today, from how to talk about your life plans to sharing funny stories about life and nature.
It's a great reminder that we are part of the natural world, not just the digital one.
Before we go, we have one final request.
Yes. Tell us about your week in the comments below. What is one thing you are going to do this week? Or what is your favorite outdoor activity?
Practice your English by telling us your plans. And, as always, please subscribe to the Fluent Vibes English podcasts and share this episode with your family and friends.
Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a beautiful, nature-filled week.
Goodbye, everyone.